Predicting Forge costs may be tricky. We encourage you to learn Forge pricing, to try our new Forge calculator, and to connect with our support team. Both Augusto Goncalves and Natalia Polikarpova, myself, were part of that team. It's called Developer Advocacy and Support at Autodesk. When you do all that, it will be easier for you to validate and optimize your costs while maximize your customer value. But first, pricing. Make sure you know the basics. Actually, three things. Number one, it's consumption based. That means you pay for what you use, you buy cloud credits in advance, you buy additional cloud credits as needed. Your free Forge trial runs for 90 days or until your 100 cloud credits, complimentary 100 cloud credits, are consumed. After that, you have to buy a Forge subscription. And in the US, for $100, it gets you another 100 cloud credits. Number two, only 3 APIs actually consume cloud credits: model derivative, design automation, and reality capture. And you can find the cost information on the link forge.autodesk.com/price. And number three, you can manage your costs. You can check your balance. You should build your own tracking capabilities. But you can also try our Forge calculator, which Augusto is going to show you.
Thank you, Natalia. The calculator is available at forge-calculator.autodesk.io. There are 3 main boxes on the calculator: one for model derivative, one for design automation, and one for reality capture. Let's see the calculator in action. On the first box for model derivative, you can specify where the models are coming from, what type of models you have, how many models, and how many times you need to update those models per month. If the models are coming from BIM 360, there is no additional cost, so that's why it's 0. If the models are coming, let's say, from your local drive, and you have to send them to Forge before translating, and we translate the same type of model, same amount, and same number of updates. So in this case, there is a cost involved because we're translating those models, and in this case will be 30 models x 1.5 equals 45 cloud credits. Second box is for design automation. You can specify the engine, let's say Revit, and let's say we have models with 100 megabytes. And here we specify how complex is the execution we are running. Simple means that we are using the medium number, and these numbers are coming from thousands and thousands of jobs on design automation, and it's just the medium means that 50% of all the jobs are below this, are under this number, under this execution time. Okay, we are going to execute 30 times a month, and let's click add. So in this case, it means that the job's simple complexity usually takes 88 seconds to execute, x 6 credits per hour, where it's going to cost us 4 credits a month, running 30 times. The third box is for reality capture. We can specify how many pictures, the image quality, how many times we want to run this code, and again, hit add. In this case, will be 0.42 cloud credits a month. We also have a few additional resources that you can look at. The first is the developer portal. There is also a tutorial, learnforge.autodesk.io. You can book an appointment to ask questions and discuss your case using our doctors in under Calendly. There are accelerator events, week-long hackathons that you can work on your code with our help. There is a bi-weekly coffee break to listen updates on Forge, and there are several videos on YouTube. We're just highlighting one of those videos here, how to maximize your Forge profitability.
And a few things to keep in mind as a closing. Always focus on your customer value. Don't just think about cost and pricing. Number two, think agile. It's really a learning process. And number three, connect with our support team. But most importantly, if you haven't started your trial yet, do it today. Remember, it takes time to learn your customer behavior, and that directly impacts your Forge cost. Thank you.